impact our real estate market to a degree, no pun intended. If we have a lot of snowy weather, fewer buyers will get out to see property listed for sale and fewer sellers will launch. If you are a seller listed for sale, you can increase the odds of getting a buyer through your home by making sure that you clear the snow quickly, treat areas to reduce ice and slip risk during your showings. Your agent should also be proactive by making sure that the market knows that your property is safe to show. This is essential. It's Friday, January 14th, 2022. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert with this week's Maryland Market Minute. New inventory to the market for the Maryland suburbs was down 24% month over month and down 11% from December 2020. But closed sales were up 3.4% month over month to a median sales price of $430,000. This is up 9.1% from December 2020, though slightly down from November 2021. Prices on the Eastern Shore were up 4% month over month and up 13.6% from December 2020 to a median sold price of $335,000. Inventory was off 31.2% month over month and down 21.2% from December 2020. Closed sales rose 11.1% this December. Southern Maryland sales prices rose 3.4% month over month in December 2020 to $398,000, which also reflects a 10.6% rise in prices from December 2020. Closed sales were also up 4.9% in December 2021, while new inventory contracted 19.7% last month. The Baltimore metro area sales slid 0.6% in December 2021 to $328,000, but that still reflects a 7.2% increase in sales prices from December 2020. New inventory fell 22.7% month over month. Closed sales slipped 2.2% month over month and are down 4.9% from 2020. Days on the market remain low, 23 days until contract. Are you thinking about making a move this year? Get our newest 2022 home buyer or home selling guide at www.kineticrealtyinc.com and click on Guide in the navigation bar. That's the recap for the Maryland Market Minute for January 14th, 2022. Thank you so much for tuning in. Stay warm and safe out there.